Di ste rizleri moji? Ljudi tražimo curu na Omegle, znači braćo, ako nađemo curu, mora biti peder jebio. Idemo! Hello bro! What's up? Pička odvratna. Hello! What's up? How was your day?
Are you German?
I'm not German.
Oh. Are you Canadian?
I'm not Canadian. I am from Bangladesh.
You look like one Serbian streamer. Wait.
Who?
You look like this guy. Wait.
Show me.
The one here. Wait, it's not. No, you look. His name's Choda.
Choda?
C-H. Yes, C-H-O-D-A.
Onaj sa velikim zalistima, jel da?
Što?
Ovo je dijete, neću djetom pričat. Hello. How was your day?
Pretty good.
Nice. Bro, jebem ti, ne znam šta da kažem! Do you like BBC? Hello. Oh, we have the same mic.
Are you a streamer?
No, I'm not. Are you a streamer?
No.
No? Okay. How was your day?
What'd you say?
How is your day?
Pretty good. I worked on my car a little bit, but other than that.
Oh, what car do you have?
I have a Celica.
A Celica, okay. How old are you?
17.
17, okay.
How old are you?
I am 16. I look younger though, I don't know why, but... You know.
Yeah, where are you from?
I am from France.
Suffocant sous le soleil et sous la joie, et j'entends dans la musique.
Can I have your number?
My number. You can have my Snapchat though.
Okay, give me your snap.
Yeah, okay, I will type it in here. Hold up. I just need to... A jebem ti mater u pičku, doslovno dobijem ribu, bog te. Ne, moram smislit skript u buraz. Otkud sam ja, bog te, šta bi ja mogao reći otkud sam ja? Iz Bosne, ajde može. Evo ljudi, Mini Ozić sad ući u call i on će meni pomoći sad.
Ej!
Ajmo dalje.
Pitaju zašto grize nokte.
Why do you bite your nails? Are you stressed or something?
Cause I fucking can.
Okay, I am sorry, don't attack, don't put Trump on me.
Get out my fucking phone.
No.
Fucking fake ass Boston ass nigger.
Yo, bro is racist. We in Bosnia don't say
Nigger.
Hello. A pičko.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I am good, thank you. Where are you from?
Idaho.
Okay. I am from Bosnia, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What is your favorite music artist? Who is your favorite music artist?
Drake.
Drake? What is your favorite song from Drake?
Die Trying.
Can you sing for me a little bit? I don't know the song.
No.
Pita nema
Why?
dečka.
Cause.
You don't know how to sing or... A jebem ti mater!
Pa brate, nije na razgovoru za posao, evo te pitaju nešto da se nasmije.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello. Nice to meet you.
What's up? Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is Borat. What is your name?
My name is Mia.
Nice to meet you, Mia. Where are you from?
I'm from Cali. What about you?
I am from Bosnia. I have one question though.
Yeah.
Do you have Snapchat?
Brate, evo, znaš šta ne smiješ pitati, ne za Snapchat pitat. Pitao je li ima Roblox account.
Hello. Nice to meet you. What do you play? Fortnite. Ooh. What is your favorite pickaxe in Fortnite?
A, bok.
My favorite pickaxe?
It's so beautiful.
I
Da li se napalio, jebote?
Da je lijepo.
Previše pitanja, daj reci nešto da se nasmije.
You have beautiful chair.
A, bog te. Brate, ti kupuješ namještaj ili tražiš curu novu?
Pa nađi neku ljepoticu.
Aj, pa tražimo, naravno tražim. Tražim neku mlada mi treba neka, ne neka 26 godina, bog te. Where are you from?
Romania.
Romania, oh, nice to meet you. Are you a Cigan?
Yes.
You are, oh, do you like bakar?
Yes.
Oh, good boy. Hello. Where are you from? Ah, pičko, vjerojatno.
Homo.
Hello.
Homo.
Oh, are you a rapper?
Yeah, I'm a big time rapper, dude. I'm famous.
What is your rapper name? I can
Little
listen.
nigga.
What?
Little nigga.
Oh, great name. I love.
AKA young nigga.
Damn. sick name. I love. Can you spit some bars?
Young nigga.
Can you
Donald
spit some
Duck, Goofy, Mickey Mouse. I'm gonna punch you in the fucking mouth.
Can you?
I'm a Care Bear. I'm a
Can you
Care
give me
Bear.
some-
You were never there. See me on the block playing with toys and eating candy there.
Kako se lik zvao, daj ponovi. Reci joj da je preljepa, kao candy.
To je še
You look very beautiful. We in Bosnia say if you're beautiful, ti si pička. Yeah, if you want to say you two are very beautiful, we say oba dvije ste velike pičke.
I can never say that.
Okay. Can you say dobar dan? Hold up. No, you are not a bird. Dobar dan. Can you say dobar dan? That means hello in Bosnian.
Reci ne kaže kurac.
That means I'm a bird. Volim kurac.
Okay, this is Julie and I'm Harley.
Nice to meet you. My name is.
Yes, you're a bird.
Yes, I'm a bird. And
I am Phoenix.
my friend name is Phoenix. That's his gamer tag in Valorant.
Like Phoenix, Arizona?
Yes,
Or Phoenix, like the bird.
Phoenix, Arizona. That's a city in Bosnia.
You're in jail?
No, I'm not in jail, bro. I'm at home. What the fuck?
Reci da si u gnjezdu.
What the fuck?
I am in my bird
Nest.
home. I'm in my nest. Yes. Sorry, my English not very good.
English is not very good.
No.
I like how you talk. It's funny.
Yes, that's I sorry. I don't speak English.
Pitaj, hoće ti biti cura?
Do you want to be my girlfriend? I can move to America if you want to. I can fly.
Reci, I am from Bosnia, take me to America.
Do you know this song? I am from Bosnia, take me to America. You know that song?
No.
No. Yeah. But I am from Bosnia and I take me to America, you know? So yeah, do you want to be my girlfriend or no?
Reci da ti kaže yes, molim te. Molio, reci nam, please.
Please say yes, bro. I'm lonely, bro. My mom left me with my bird food. I don't know what the fuck should I do more in my life. Please. I give you $50. $50 I travel to America. Do you want my Snapchat? I have a beautiful bird nest. I always send photo.
Sure.
Okay, I added you. Is this you?
Yep.
Yeah, okay, perfect. Okay, bye. Brate, dobio sam snap, šta drugo trebam da napravim? Playboy Carti!
This nigga's a fucking clown.
Yo! Bro!
He's a wannabe Instagram model.
Bro! Hello?
He bought his followers, bro.
Do you play Clash Royale?
No.
Kakav je zanimljiv čovjek.
No, he's hiding his life.
Didi, what's up, bro?
Clash Royale.
Where?
Kraj. King.
Didi.
Are you a rapper? You look like one rapper.
Mike needed. Come on, Antoine.
Oh, fuck.
Reći da izgleda ko G-Eazy.
Ah,
Ko 50
my
Cent.
microphone.
No.
How are you?
Sorry.
Do you have no microphone or why you not talk?
Huh?
Do you have? Ah, you can talk. Good. What is your name? Oh, jebem te usta. How are you, bro?
How are you? Oh,
I am good. Where are you from?
I'm from Mongolia.
Are you a Mongolian rapper?
Rapper.
No, I can't.
You can't. Okay. I am rapper from Kazakhstan. My name is Kazakhstani West.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want to hear my music? Are you ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
Hello, Biggie Smalls. Ljudi, pojačanje.
Pa neki pomogne sestra kako da nađeš žensku.
Tražim od cure Amerikanke. Hello.
Hi,
What is your name?
Kaylee.
Kelly, nice to meet you, Kelly. My name is Boran. Zoran.
What was it? What was that?
My name is Zoran.
Zoran?
Yeah, I am from Bosnia. This is my sister.
Okay.
Her name is Alma.
Hi, Alma.
She said hi, rekla je bok. She don't speak English very. Oj! She said I am horse.
Reci da ima lijepo oko.
Okay, okay.
You have beautiful eyes.
Thank you.
Do you like my eyes?
I love your eyes.
Oh.
Pitaj šta je to u ruci željezno?
What do you have in your hand?
My eyelash curler for my eyes.
What does that do? You curl your
It curls
eyebrow.
It curls my eyelashes.
Okay.
Like it goes inside my eye and it curls them.
Oh, okay. I respect. Where are you from?
California.
California. Okay. I am from Banja Luka. Do you know where that is? That is in Serbia.
Oh, okay.
You look very good. Why are you black and white? Do you have old phone?
No, I'm on my computer. I broke my phone.
Why did you broke your phone? You play Roblox, you broke?
I threw it because it was lagging.
Oh, okay. What phone did you have?
A 13.
iPhone 13. Bro, I have iPhone 11. It works normal like I bought it yesterday. What the fuck?
But now it's cool.
Pito je li razbila mobitel zato kad je dečko ostavio?
Did you break your phone because your boyfriend left you or not? Oh!
No.
No.
I got mad because it was lagging. It won't turn on, so I got mad.
Pito je li spreman za vezu?
Okay, I have to go. I need to record song.
Šta se ustro jebote,
Okay,
pa
well,
dobra,
you
ajde.
have fun.
Okay,
Bye bye.